Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video, we'll be looking at best way to swing trade in boom and crash. We'll be looking at the best way to swing trade boom and crash. That is what we will be checking out in today's video. Okay, before I go fully into it, if you are just joining us for the first time, this is Qora Digital Cash. I welcome you to this platform. All you just need to do is just to make sure you browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. So I'll make sure you understand everything explained in the video, and also make sure you understand everything explained in this video, and also practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real accounts. Okay, this is very important. Okay, whatever strategy you want to try out, make sure you practice and perfect it first on your demo account, okay, before going to your real account. Okay, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly we will be going straight into what we have for today, which is like part 2 of what we had yesterday. Best way to swing trade boom and crash successfully. Okay, I'll quickly go to Jamboard to do some illustration for us before going to the charts, okay, to the platform, in order to see what I was or what I'm trying to explain. Okay, like you all know, swing trading has to do with you trading for a particular period of time. It can take minutes, it can take hours, days, if weekly or even monthly. Okay, it can go for a very long time before the period will come to an end. Okay, so that is swing trade. Okay, it is not a trade for short period. Okay, it can go from a support zone to a major resistance zone. Then from there it will now swing back downward. Okay, that is what swing trade is. So which means once it is picking up from here, you start with it. Okay, just the way it does not go just the way I have drawn the straight line. So this is how it goes. Okay, it goes up and down, but more in the direction of the trend. Okay, once it gets to this place, then it comes down and try going up, then it goes like that and on like that and on like that till it come to an end. So that is just the way it goes, guys. This is just to let you see the illustration. So if you are swing trading, this will be your first entry point. Okay, this will be your entry point. Okay, and this will be your exit point for a buy trend. Okay, for a buy signal, and also it will also be another entry point for a sell, and this will be your exit point for the sell, which can also be another entry point for another buy signal. Okay, so that is just the way swing trading works. Okay, sometimes it can take a whole day, sometimes it takes more than a day before you achieve this. Okay, but you always be in profit. It is a trade that helps you milk the market for a very long time. Okay, and there is one thing you need to take note of. Okay, for you to swing trade, in most cases it is good if you have a reasonable trading capital, and also you should get used to it, because sometimes once you come in here, remember, okay, can you imagine we passing through this very strong trend and getting to this side, and we are going back into a downtrend? Definitely it soon just goes straight immediately. Okay, it can play around there for a while before it will go. It can even go backward a bit, okay, before now following up with the trend which we have gone in for. So which means that can put your account in, it can put your trade, not your account, in red for a while before it will now go into the trend. Okay, so that is why I said you should use a reasonable lot size that your trading capital can control. That is very, very important. But once it scales through from that level, it will start going into blues. It will start going into blues, and that is just the way it works, guys. That is just the way it works. So all you just need to do is just to put all this into action, and you well make some money for yourself with all this. So let's go straight to the chart so that we get to see this live and direct, just the way I have explained. Okay, in my last video I think I make use of 15-minute time frame. For you to swing trade, in most cases you use higher time frame in order to do it successfully, but in today's video I'll be using 5 minutes. I love using 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Okay, just to perfect my, what was it called, my signals and the likes, and also to get quick signal in order to jump into the trade. But today I'll be using 5 minute time frame. Okay, 5 minute time frame, the signals there might not be as strong as that of 15 minutes, but it is also a very good signal. So you need to be patient enough in order to make it successfully. Okay, you can see, and make sure whenever you are picking up, you can see from this chart, it started from a support zone, ended on a major resistance zone, and started another one from this major resistance zone and ended here on a major support zone. So that is what you need to focus on. But you might not be able to do this analysis if you are not having something to guide you, or if you are not good with your technical analysis. But right here I'm having the QDC scraper indicator, which will be as a guide for me. Okay, this is what I will be using to do my illustration. You can see right from here, okay, the trend was on downtrend before, but it's turned into an uptrend there, and if you should notice, that is the support zone, and that is where we got our buy arrow. Okay, so you wait for the buy arrow to come out. Once it comes out, you can go in with a small lot size first, because it will have, sometimes it will have to fight around the 4 MA candles before it breaks out successfully. And even if you should check it out, it took about 15 minutes before it was able to, almost 20 minutes before it was able to break out from this 4 MA candle successfully. In some cases it will be worse than that. It will have to send it backward to this support zone, then give it another try before it will go successfully. So that is why I always advise you to use, at first, make sure you use a reasonable lot size that your capital can hold, okay, or can control. Once it scales through from this 4 MA candles, then you can add another order if your capital can still control it with a good lot size at that particular point. Okay, but check it out. It got to this level and pulled back. There was a pullback here, but went back up again, and it ended the trend right here. Okay, it ended the trend right here. Most of you might be thinking that this didn't take much time. Of course, several candles have been created there. We can do the calculation. 112 candles have been created here. 112 candles. Now multiplied by 5 minutes to know the number of minutes spent on that trade, as short as it looks. Okay, 112 candles were created by on 5 minutes time frame. So we will be multiplying it by that is 560 minutes were spent on that trading session. Okay, with that trading session, so we can do our division by 60 minutes to know the number of hours spent. That is 9 hours, guys. 9 hours 30 minutes. That is the hours spent within year to year. So you can see that. So that is why it is always important for you to know when to come in. Okay, once you come in here, this is the first place to place your first order. So once you place your first order here and it breaks out from these 4 MA candles, you can place another order just above the 4 MA candles. It went up, came down below here, then here is another area for you to place another order. Okay, this side, okay, where there is the pullback, so you can place another order, probably the third one. So right here, this will be in profit, this will also be in profit, then this will be going on again and it will be in profit once it gets here. Okay, the same thing is applicable, so you can buy up to this level. Let me show you let me illustrate with this. Okay, you can buy up to this level, then you come in here again, you close your buy order here where you have your sell arrow popping out, then you come in here and sell up to this level. It is still going, the sell is still going because the market is still red, the trend is still red. Okay, so you can keep on selling till the end of the trend. Okay, so that is it, so this is what swing trade is all about. If you should see what I have here, you can see it, you can see the lines, you can see it, and that is what I have drawn on the charts. You can see it right away on the chart. You can see it. You buy from here and exit here, then start selling from here, and you are still selling because the market is still red, not until it gets down to this support zone where the trend will change from downtrend to uptrend. That is when you should close your market. Okay, so this is a simple way for you to swing trade. Okay, you can easily do this without any hiccups, and I've also shown you how to come in multiple places. For instance, if you are selling, you place your first order here. You can see that it finds it difficult to break out from this 4 MA candles here. It even pull back up to this level. You can put on another order here. Once it breaks it, you put on another order here. Then here is a pullback again, then you can put on another order here, and all that will be in profit right now. All you just need to do is just to wait for a few minutes before it to close the trend. Once it's closed the trend, then you close your order again and switch over to the next trend. So that is just how it works. If you must trade successfully on Forex or synthetic indices, or you need to know how to swing trade. Okay, that will help you to hold your trade for a very long time, and it will also help you to make some profits with confidence. Okay, and seeing reds won't be a problem for you because you would have known the trend. Okay, there is no way you will swing trade without being sure of the trend. If you are just gambling, then definitely you are most likely to lose your money. But if you are sure of the trend, then definitely you will definitely be in a lot of profit at the end of the trading session. So that is all about that. I believe you all enjoyed today's video. This is what I want you guys to do. You know, I'll always give you assignment. Okay, I want you to have this on your chart and make sure you practice everything I have explained in this video. If you are not getting it right, then you need to watch this video over and over. Make sure you put down the points highlighted there and put them into practice, and you can also ask questions so that I can explain better for in order for you to make some successful trades for yourself. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God